Okay, so now we can understand effect of temperature with help of Le Chatelier principle. Okay, for this, in one test tube we can take cobalt second hexahydrate, which is pink in color. So now this is cobalt second hexahydrate, and you can observe that its color is pink. Okay, now in this pink color cobalt second hexahydrate, when we add concentrated HCl, so now we can add few drops of concentrated HCl. Okay, and after this, when we start to heat this content, okay, so now we should observe what should be its color. Okay, so after heating we can observe that its color becomes to be blue. So why its color becomes to be blue? Because when we heated this cobalt second hexachloride with hydrochloric acid, our equilibrium will shifted in forward direction. So when our equilibrium is shifted in forward direction, now here cobalt second chloride is formed, okay, and its color is blue. So why color turns from pink to blue? Because cobalt second hexahydrate, when reacts with concentrated HCl, it gives cobalt second chloride and its color is blue. Now important point is that this reaction is endothermic. So when we heat it, then equilibrium will shift in forward direction, because in forward direction heat is absorbed, and according to Le Chatelier principle, okay, reaction shifted in that direction where heat is absorbed. Okay, now when we cool this so when we cool this blue color cobalt second chloride, then you can observe that its color gradually changes to pink. Okay, so now here you can observe that when you cool, then it's again come in its original form. Okay, so because on cooling equilibrium is shifted in backward direction, and it again equilibrize with cobalt second hexahydrate. Okay, so now this is temperature effect. On increasing temperature, equilibrium will shift in forward direction, and we will get a blue color cobalt second chloride. And when you cool it, then equilibrium shifted in backward direction, and we again get pink color cobalt second hexahydrate. Now how we can understand this concentration effect? Okay, to understand this concentration effect, we should add in this blue color cobalt second chloride this silver nitrate. So when we add this silver nitrate, then silver nitrates reacts with chloride ion and it form a white color precipitate of silver chloride. So when you reduce concentration, when you decrease concentration of chloride ion by adding silver nitrate which form AgCl. So when chloride ion concentration decreases, so when chloride ion concentration decreases, our equilibrium will shift in reverse direction. Why? Because when you decrease chloride ion, then equilibrium will shifted in backward direction, because this will decompose to give chloride ion. So now in this blue color, when we add silver nitrate, so when we add silver nitrate, then you can see that color changes from blue to pink. Now you can observe that color changes from blue to pink, because this chloride ion concentration decreases, equilibrium will again shift in reverse direction. Okay, so by this experiment you can understand both of temperature and concentration effect. On increasing temperature, equilibrium shifted in forward direction, and when you decrease concentration of chloride ion, equilibrium will shifted in backward direction. Okay, thank you class.